Thank you so much for joining us. We begin tonight with a football rivalry. It's the Texans versus the Cowboys. At odds, which game would be shown right here on Action 4. It's been a long week controversy that ended today in protest.
Astrid, the love of the game comes to a head right outside the Action 4 studios after receiving hundreds of emails, phone calls, Facebook messages, and tweets. Houston Texan protesters descended right here after management decided to air the Dallas Cowboys game on Sunday. Generators, speakers, microphones, oh my. Texans fans decked out in their favorite team's gear, protested outside our Action 4 studio around 9 this morning in Harlingen. They cheered, danced, blared sad country and dance music, all while voicing their distaste for our management's decision to broadcast the Cowboys instead of the Texans, which normally airs on CBS. What really upset the Texans was a poll posted on our Facebook page asking which game should air. The Texans lead that poll.
Our country was founded on the premises and on the basis of, having rights and having that democratic process, and I think that we've been breached here. I think people have been fooled.
Now, Action 4's President CEO Tom Keeler says the decision wasn't solely based on poll numbers, rather an array of data points. And across the state, many CBS stations have chosen to air the Cowboys game over the Texans game because of the sheer number of fans. Now, the handful of protesters stuck around for about 3 hours. They were fed by Action 4 News, but they stand behind their belief our station has made the wrong decision on game day this Sunday. Live in the studio, Ryan Wolf, Action 4 News.
Thank you so much, Ryan, for that. And the Texan-Cowboys brawl began on our Facebook page with some very passionate fans rallying behind one of the Texas teams. Action 4's Marcy Martinez has some of those comments.
The grunting and punting on the field has not even begun for the Texans or Cowboys, and their fans are already making their voices heard on Action 4's Facebook page as they brawl over which game they believe should be aired on CBS this Sunday. Jorge Gutierrez asks Action 4 News, do you want a handful of Texans fans watching their game, or do you want 99% of the Valley watching the Cowboys? Because regardless of their stats, I know a lot of people who are still hardcore fans. Add Gabe Martinez to that Dallas Cowboys fan list. He writes, when will Texans fans understand that the Cowboys will always be the most loved and most watched sports team in America? Hold on, Gabe. Janie Chaparreina wants to see her team play on CBS. You always show the Texan game, she writes. Why change now? And Miguel Loza Jr. agrees. Seriously, America's team is long gone. Romo isn't Aikman, Bryant isn't Irvin, and Murray is nowhere close to being anything like Smith. Go Texans. And simply put, Jesus Gonzalez writes, get over it, people. It's just football. With your comments, I'm Marcy Martinez, Action 4 News.
And you can always share your comments with Action 4 News. You can send them to listens@valleycentral.com, or you can like our Facebook fan page. We have a link set up on our website.